I'm Josh with Skid Pro. Today we're going to do our quick start guide on our Auger mixer bucket. Come along, we'll give you some shortcuts to get you up and running quicker. First step, obviously hook up the attachment and the couplers, the QT plates on both sides. That allows us to discharge right or left. The unit comes shipped with the grates installed and 2 extensions in the bucket. The grate is easily removable with 4 pins. It's only necessary for busting up Quickcrete bags. So if you're gonna bore out of a truck, obviously you can just quickly remove this. We'll show you how. And simply lift it out and put it wherever you need. Then it's wide open. We'll do some shooting today right from a truck and then some on the Quickcrete bags. Obviously you need to remove the extensions. There's 2 of them. And that gives you some distance on the chute. If you need to get a little further away, you can't get close to your target pour. A nice feature to aid in durability is a complete motor covered all the way around. Helps protect that motor. As a side benefit, we also have the gauges for our capacity. We've got 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4 yard capacity. The top, like we talked, is bolt-on removable. You can simply take that off. A couple reasons you might want to do that. Better visibility from the cab. You don't have to lift the Quickcrete bucket so high. And a third, if you have a smaller skid loader that can't lift all that anyways, it just takes off some of the weight and leaves it for the capacity of the mud. Well, let's go get our Quickcrete and start mixing. So now to start mixing, we're gonna put the dry concrete bags on the motor side, and then we're gonna put the water on the chute discharge side. And then we're gonna reverse the flow, and that's gonna pull the water into the concrete mix and mix it up. I like to add 4 or 5 dry bags of Quickcrete to start. Throw the bags right down on the braking bars. Give it a wiggle. Pour out each half. Now that I've got the dry bags in, I like to start with a high volume 5-gallon bucket of water, and then you can always have a hose close by too to wash down the sides and add a little water if needed. Now Chad went ahead and engaged the motor. He's running it in reverse, pulling it all towards the motor side.
You want to make sure you mix the first batch of Quickcrete thoroughly, adding water as necessary. Mixing time can vary from 5 to 15 minutes depending on the volume and consistency you prefer. Then add the remaining bags and repeat the process. When you've reached the desired consistency, you're ready to pour. Each Auger mixer bucket comes with 2 2-foot extensions for added reach, visibility, and versatility on the job site. They can be used together or separately, or not at all, depending on what you need. Now, before pouring, you're going to change from the mixing position on the motor. You're going to reverse flow, and that will discharge it out the chute. Increasing RPM will increase the speed of discharge. Lowering the RPMs will slow it down.
Well, there you have it. I hope that shortens your learning curve. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online at skidpro.com. And as always, our promise to you, better products, better service, happier customers.